नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। So we were discussing CNS depressants, and CNS depressant in previous session we discussed about barbiturates, their brief introduction, the types of barbiturates, and acute poisoning of barbiturates. Today we will continue the same topic, barbiturates, with its chronic poisoning. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So the chronic poisoning of barbiturates. It is always on taking smaller doses of barbiturates for a longer period or longer duration. If a patient takes or if an abuser takes these barbiturates for a longer period in small doses, then they develops a tolerance. This tolerance develops very rapidly, and there is cross tolerance with alcohol also develops. This tolerance also develops when barbiturates are used therapeutically in epilepsy or psychoneurotic patients. So if a person is abusing barbiturates for their excitement or for narcotic purpose, on taking for longer duration, they develop a tolerance for these barbiturates, and this tolerance is also developed in cases where barbiturates are used therapeutically. For example, in cases of epilepsy. So if a patient is taking barbiturates in case of epilepsy for a longer duration, he also develops tolerance for these barbiturates. In case of its chronic poisoning, the symptoms resembles very closely to the symptoms of chronic alcoholism. So the symptoms which are developed in chronic alcoholism are somewhat similar to symptoms that are developed in case of chronic poisoning of barbiturates, with progressive impairment of cerebral functions, dysarthria, ataxia, and depression. There may also be depression of tendon reflexes. The patient develops hypertonia and tremors of Parkinsonian type. So chronic poisoning also affects the muscles where there are tremors which resembles to Parkinsonian type of tremors and hypertonia. There is impairment of mood, there is impairment of behavior, and his intellectual functions also get disturbed, which causes social deterioration. Withdrawal symptom may also appear if a patient or if an abuser try to stop its use, then it's develop withdrawal symptoms which develops within a day, and they present themselves as anxiety, nausea, vomiting, weakness, hypotension, tremors, and disturbances of vision. And in few cases, there may be convulsions also. So the fatal dose of barbiturates depends on the type of barbiturate. If the barbiturate is short acting, then the fatal dose is 1 to 2 gram, but it is slightly higher in case of medium acting barbiturates, which is 2 to 3 grams, and it is further higher in case of long acting barbiturates, where it is 3 to 5 grams. So the fatal dose or the quantity of barbiturates which may be fatal for a person, depends on its activity. And the fatal period of barbiturate is 1 to 2 days. Now there is another term, that is barbiturate automatism or self-poisoning. So the word clear itself, it is self-poisoning. That is, the person poisons himself, and in this case, a person takes barbiturate tablets repeatedly because of a state of mental confusion. So there is consumption of barbiturate tablets in condition of mental confusion or due to mental confusion. So what is the cause of this automatism or barbiturate self-poisoning? After taking a one or more doses, patient develops a state of toxic delirium. So that is after taking one dose or more doses of barbiturate tablets or barbiturate drugs, a state of delirium develops in the patient. This state of delirium or automatism, once developed, the patient wants to get to sleep, and in order to get sleep, he takes more doses. But there is no intention to commit suicide, and there is no consciousness in the patient. So the patient takes this additional dose without realizing it. So its medical legal aspect is that barbiturate automatism may be more pronounced with alcohol consumption. So if the patient is consuming alcohol, then along with this alcohol consumption, this automatism may be more pronounced. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. The topic is clear to you, but if you have any query, if you have any doubt, please mention in comment box and I will try to resolve them. Thank you.